Okay people, I'm back on this 1997 F-150 4x4. As I showed you before on here, I had talked about I had changed out the resistor for the blower fan, and when I replaced it with another wire, because this wire had been shorted out, so I replaced it with another wiring harness. I, like a dummy, as I normally am, forgot to do something. I forgot to plug in the fan motor. Woohoo! And that's why I wasn't getting any no blower, even after I had done what I was going to do anyhow. So anyway, that's what happened. That's why I wasn't getting no fan. But it's blowing out now. I've got the air conditioning fan all working good. The only thing I don't have working yet is the radio. So as soon as I get that squared away, maybe I can get something working here right. But I do have fan blower working now on all speeds. So there we go. That was the problem. I got almost low there. It's still working good. So that's all I got to do now. Is just letting you know that you have to plug in. Once you unplug it, make sure that you can't see it in there too good. Let's see if I get a flashlight shine up in there. See, there it is. See it right there, plugs in. Make sure you plug in that wire to your motor. Don't forget it or it won't come on. So that was my problem. That's why I got so aggravated after buying relay switches and buying fuses. That's what come up. So there you go. I'll let y'all know the blower switch problem is fixed. And chances are I didn't even need the one underneath the dash there, the relay. I probably didn't need it because I just forgot to plug in the motor. So there you go. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye.